Okay, we're testing out the DJI Osmo today. Yep, sure is. .60 frames a second here. Testing out 60 frames.
Interesting. That way or this way?
Go that way.
Okay. It's so beautiful. 69 degrees and it feels like sensation.
By the way, this is 30 frames a second. This is just a pan test over by the pool. Superstition Mountains in the background. There's a sundog there. Can you see the sundog? Can we see the sundog?
Look how beautiful that is. Right now we are walking around our neighborhood. I'm gonna flip the camera right now. Ta-da! And you are looking at the Superstition Mountain. It's beautiful tonight. Oh, this afternoon, it's only 5 o'clock in the afternoon here in Arizona. It is 69 degrees. It's lovely here, you guys. And I'm gonna flip the camera of this Osmo while it is recording. 1, 2, 3. Hi there. Hello. So this is the audio. This is wonderful. While you are recording, you can flip the camera.
There it is. It's in your hand and it works really nice. Right now you're recording at 1080, 30 frames a second.
30 frame, okay. You are looking at the Superstition Mountain. The weather here is so lovely. It's 69 degrees. It is February 1st, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. The sunshine is so beautiful and we can see the sundog. Anyways, I can flip the camera facing me even with the camera is recording. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hi. This is wonderful. Anyways, I'm gonna spin around and I'm going to flip the camera again to see my husband. 1, 2, 3. There he is walking. Hi, husband.
Hello.
I'm gonna turn this off now.
Okay, climb across them. Or maybe swing, I don't know.
What is this? You climb on this one? This is like what do you call that?
Monkey bars.
American Ninja Warriors. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, I'm gonna climb that one. Ouch. Okay. Whew. I am running. All right, I'm gonna flip it over. Flip it over. And I'm gonna run. Here I come.
This is a sideways text. Look at me, Aurora. I'm walking sideways. See how stable this is. Now we let you go by. Back to the sunset.
Oh, I didn't realize I got.
This is a pan test using the wheel, pushing it down, which makes it turn right. I'm holding the camera still and then panning to the right. Panning to the right. Now we're going to do a fast zoom left.
They're like tiny pineapples. Pineapples.